Hi everybody, welcome back to IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachel. Today we have a 20-minute incline strength workout for you. I hope you guys are ready because this one's gonna be a tough one. We're going hard for 20 minutes. All right, so I want you to make sure you look over at this side of your screen. We're gonna see all of our speed and incline changes because there will be both over here on this side. If you look over onto this other side of your screen, you're gonna see this nice long progression bar that's gonna show you where we are from start to finish through this whole entire workout. You're never gonna want it to end, so you're not really gonna look at it though. So here we go. Look down at your tread, find your start button. We're gonna get started in 3, in 2, and 1. We start walking now. Yeah, no, we don't really start off with the torture. We start off a little walk. 2, 5, 3, 5. We're here for a minute. Guess what? Everything here nice and easy. 1 minute long, okay? So the pace, 5-0, 8-0 when we get into these runs, okay? The pace technically can stay the same. What we're working on is moving around the incline. Yeah, we're running on an incline. Anybody who knows, who runs on an incline, it ain't easy. That's why it's called incline strength, right? 30 seconds, we take it up. 5-0, 7-0. Right into that jog, not the fastest jog. But we're moving, we're grooving in 20. So roll the shoulders down and back. Get all the wiggles out. This is the moment right here. If you only have 19 minutes, it's technically 19 minutes. We're going hard. All 19 minutes. No ifs, ands, or buts today. We take it up 5-0, 7-0. We hit a 3 on the incline, so hit that 3 now. Hit that speed, 5-0, 7-0. 3, 2, 1. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Let's go. All right, so 5-0, 7-0. Not the fastest, okay? We do get a little walk and recovery. But I want you to make sure you're listening because we are running on a hill, right? So there's gonna be a lot of quick changes. Good. So after this one, we're just warming up, right? We're on a 3 incline, not our fastest run. The run, technically, we go 5-0, 8-0. So it doesn't technically have to go faster than where you are now. I encourage you to push your pace though. But if it's your first time running on an incline, maybe don't push it to the fastest pace, okay? All we're gonna do, take the incline off for the next minute, then we go right into the workout. 1 more minute in our warm up. 10, 8. We take it down, 0 on the incline, 3, 2, 1. That's it. You'll feel the difference, okay? You'll feel it. So now, after this minute, we go 2, 4, 6 on the incline, okay? 2 minute, then a 4 minute. I like. There's no minutes on those. They're all 1 minute. We go 2 on the incline for a minute, 4 on the incline for a minute, 6 on the incline, 5-0, 8-0. The pace does not have to change. Pick somewhere in there. Maybe you have a couple options. Well, we're on the lower hill, right? 2 on that hill. Maybe we speed it up. Every time we go higher, we decrease our speed. You want to work the other way, you can increase it. There's a lot of things you can do. Here we go. Give me a 2 on the incline. 3, 2, 1. So we're at 5-0, 8-0. Pick up your pace. I want it a little bit faster than where you were. We're 2 on the hill, okay? We're going 3 minutes up the hill. You get to walk and recover. So it goes 3 minutes, walk and recover, 2 minutes, flat road, 2 minutes, walk and recover, 3 minutes. We out of here, okay? First 30 seconds down. Get ready. 30 seconds, we increase. 4 on the incline. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Come on, 20 minutes today. We give it everything we got. We go hard. 10 seconds, it'll get steeper. Maybe we shorten up our strides. 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 4. Let's grow. Come on up the hill. We can do it. Woo. Oh yeah. Hills are my nemesis also, okay? I'm always like, I'm gonna train for hills today. And I never do it. So it's a challenge for me. Let's go. Come on. We go 6 on the incline and 30 seconds. After that, you get to walk and recover. Here we go, here we go. You got one more in you. Settle in the breath. Relax the shoulders. 15 seconds. Steepest hill in 4, 3, 2, pick it up. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, I feel them hip flexors working. I feel that core engaged. Breath is heavy. Come on, 50 seconds. We take the incline down. We walk. Come on, come on. First 5 minutes into it. 15 to go. That's it. 30 seconds. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Oh yeah, last 20. Flat road, 3-0, 4-5 on speed. In 10, in 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, flat road, 3-0, 4-5. Walk it out. All right, we go back. You have 1 minute here. We go back, we start on hill 2. Okay, 2, 3, little break. 4, 5, little break. It's only 2 minutes this one. You got it. We're not gonna take a walking break though. We're gonna stay jogging. So we'll just take it to a flat road for a minute. You can decrease by 5 if you want. Catch your breath, get the legs working. If you can, try to run. That way we just don't have so much running within this whole 20 minutes. It's only like a 2-minute break of actual walking. Here we go, 10 seconds. 5-0, 8-0 on speed, right? 2 on the incline. Give me the 2, hit the 2 now. Let's get there. 3, 2, let's go. 5-0, 8-0. It's 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes on the hill. I kind of keep lying to you because we don't, I keep thinking we're gonna walk in the middle. We're not walking. We just take it all the way down. Good. So we go up, then we go down. Then we go up, up, and then down. Full jokes today, guys. They're great. 30 seconds, you just take it to that 3 on the incline. The pace doesn't have to get faster than this. If you want to, you push it, right? You go a little harder. You're only here for 19 minutes today. 45, 50 to go. Hit that 3 on the incline. In 7, in 6, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 3 on the incline. Moment the magic happens. We go to a flat road after this, all right? It's gonna really help. You'll feel the difference. You're gonna know like how much work you're doing just by running on the hill. You'll see. 40 seconds, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Good. Keep focusing on your breath. 30 seconds. We take it back down. 0 on that incline. 15. It's fun stuff, right? Get ready, take it down, flat road. In 6, in 5, 4, 3, 2, flat road. You're gonna be like, wait a second. You wanna take it down 0.5, catch your breath, because we're going on another 2 minutes, up to a 4 and a 5. We start where we left off. Then you get 1 minute walk and recover. All right? Pace Hopefully we can hold it. If not, dial it back just a little. 30 seconds. 2 minutes. You're gonna feel those steep hills. All right? You got it. I'm with you. It's not easy. We gonna do it though. 4 on the incline, 5 on the incline. Yeah, I know we crazy. But crazy ain't gonna finish it. Come on. Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it up. 4 on the incline. 4. Yeah. Enjoy the ride up, people. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We want it. We're working here. Look at me. I'm looking at you. We're not quitting. Moments like this, they push us to be better, right? They take us out of our comfort zone. We remember how tough we are. You got 20 seconds. It's going harder. We're going deeper. We got it. You ready? 5 on that incline. In 10. You get to walk after this minute. Give me 60 seconds of your best. 3, 2, 5 on the incline. Oh yeah. Burning that belly fat. Run up that hill. Working more of that core. 45 seconds. Flat road. 3045. 1 minute walk and recover. Come on, come on. 30 seconds. We don't quit. We don't stop. You're almost there. Come on. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Get ready. Hit that 0 on that incline. 3045, sorry. On the walk. 10, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0 on the incline. 3045. Take it here, okay? Take your walk, because we're going right back to it. We started at the steepest part of our hill, right up to a 6, 6, 4, 2. Then we're out of here. 3 minutes, declining in that hill. Last 3 minutes we run, okay? We start with the hard one. We get it done and out of the way, all right? First minute's the hardest. We get it done. Then we enjoy the next 2, okay? We already did this. We already got it. We have 20 seconds. 6 on that hill. 6 on that incline. Oh yeah, you ready? 10. We're hit it 5 seconds before, so hit it. 3, 2, 1. 6 on the hill. 5, 5, 8, 0, 3, 2, 1. Come on, it's 3 minutes. 3 minutes of your life we're running. Go faster. Get stronger. Good. Takes a good 20 seconds to get up there, so just think about that. You're not gonna really be in that 6 hill for that long. We're taking it down to a 4, so we're dropping 2 levels. 30 seconds. Come on. See? You only have 25 seconds to go. It's not so bad. That walking recovery works, right? Allowed yourself to rejuvenate just enough to explode right here. 15 seconds, just down to a 4 on that incline. In 10, in 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop 2. We got 1 more. 1 more drop. Nice, right? Feel a little bit more relaxed in the core, but still working. Last minute coming up already. Keep running. Keep breathing. 30 seconds. Don't stop. We go 2 on the incline. Pace can stay the same, or you can speed it up. You can go a little faster. Making magic happen today. Let's go. Got 4 minutes left. 2 on the incline in 10, in 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Take it down. Keep breathing. We go 0 on the incline. We hold the pace. Last minute of actual running right after this. I know. Like bonus round though. 30 seconds. You just take off the incline. 1. You'll feel the difference. That pace seems easier to hold. Oh yeah, I'm sweaty today. Come on, you wanna run with me? Let's buckle up, buttercups. We got 15 seconds to our very last running minute. 10, 8, 5, 4, 0 on that incline. I'm gonna add 0.2. Why not? Come on, 60 seconds. 60 seconds here. Get ready to walk and recover. Give me 0.1. Make it faster. Come on. We have 30 seconds coming up. We do it again. 5, 4. Add on something. Add on something extra. 30 seconds. You get to walk. Come on. More. More. 20 seconds. Add on more. Let's go. We go 3-0, 4-5. Add on 1 more. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3-0, 4-5. Walk it out. Oh yeah. Team, congratulations. We did it already. Woo. How we feeling? Feeling good? You guys look good. I mean, sometimes you only have a little bit of time, right? Sometimes you don't get to block out that 40 minutes, that 30 minutes, but you still want to get something in. Here we go. Too easy, go faster. Too easy, increase those inclines. Every single one that I did, increase it by 1. There's always a way to push harder. Even doing the same workout. Gotta change your mindset. Change your body. 15 seconds. We slow it down 1 more time. Really walk it out. In 10. We go 2-5. 3-0. Really slow walk. In 3, 2, 1. Bring that heart rate back down. Big inhale through your nose. Roll the shoulders down and back. Exhale. It's not easy, man. Even 20 minutes. Dedicating to yourself, just dedicating the time to yourself, blocking that time out, that's not easy. So even if you just got here and you just gave yourself 20 minutes, congratulations, you're already winning. Keep it up, keep up that progress. 3 days a week, 4 days a week. Remember, you get 1 life, it's ours. You need to spend a little bit of time on you. Take care of your body, you take care of your mind. Running does all of that for you. 20 seconds, that's why I love it so much. Clears your mind, helps your body. 1 more, nice good deep inhale. Nice good deep exhale. 19 minutes, I can't stop saying 20. 19 minutes, hit that stop button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, this is IBX Running. I'm Coach Rachel. Incline strength workout, 110%. I knew you guys had it in it. So thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time.